All right, so we're going to start out this video at the ifm.com website /US in this case. In case you wanted to see that there, that takes us right to the US site. And I pulled up the data sheet for an AL4x2x. From the data sheet, if we scroll down where it says technical details, we're going to click download to the right of that. And the first thing you'll see here is the Allen Bradley startup package. I'm going to click right there to download. Once that's downloaded, we're going to find that typically in our download section. We're going to right click, extract all, or ZZip to extract to here, and then we'll have this startup guide folder. And inside of that, we'll find some more information. I already have a video on IP setup, so we can go right into this folder here. It's EDS files. So let's get our EDS files for the block pulled into Allen Bradley. So we're going to come up to Tools, EDS Hardware Installation Tool, and if we're going to be using one block, we could just select the one EDS file. But if we are doing multiple blocks, you might just want to do the register a directory. Click on Browse, and then we're going to go to Downloads, Startup Package, and that EDS folder, and click OK. Next, that'll show us the 4 blocks that it will pull in for us. Next, next, next. Finish. Okay, that'll take a moment or two to load up in here into the software. Let's see. So if I come down to, oh, it's still thinking. We can see right there. We'll give it another moment. Okay, now we can right click on Ethernet, select new module. We're going to type in AL4x2x, and mine is 823. Click create. Okay, for the sake of simplicity, I'll make it an AL4x2x. Under module definition, we're going to select change. And we need to make this sent data type. We're going to make it an integer. Instead, we're going to click on OK. Yes, we would like to make that change. I'm going to put an IP address I have for it already. D2155. And OK. Close. Okay, so our module is all set up in the organizer over here. Now we can come up to the controller tags, and we'll see that this is set up. Now you'll note that there are no tags or descriptions for the data. The simplest way to do that is to come back to the startup guide and just note that right here in PLC setup, there's a document that goes over it, but I'll run through it real quick. If we open this up, this .csv file, let's open that up and edit it with Notepad. All right, and what we're going to do here is you'll see that the example here has a module that's the AL4x2x underscore EIP. Well, that is not the name of our module. So we're going to come up to edit, replace, and we're going to replace that with AL4023 right here. And we're going to replace all. That updates the whole file for us. We're going to do save as, just so we don't overwrite the base file. And let's save that as 4023 and save. Awesome. So there it is right there. Let's come back into Studio 5000. We're going to go to Tools, Import, Tags, and Logic Comments. Awesome. Now I just have to get back to my downloads section. This is not where I want it to be. Downloads, startup package, and right into PLC setup. There's the new file I created, and we're going to import. Okay, 0 errors, 0 warnings, and lo and behold, our descriptions. Okay, in most cases, the simplest setup customers want to do is just to bring in digital inputs. So now that we have these here, you can see if I just open up data 1 here, this is for port 1 digital input 1 and port 1 digital input 2. And the same thing for port 2, 3, 4. Basically, all your digital inputs found right here in data 1. There's different functionality for counters and different modes, and you can change things using the output array. You can reset counters using the counter controller here. A lot of other features. Most people just want to monitor when an input is high. There is a video setup here that goes over the more detailed counter frequencies, things like that, setup that you can do with this master. Feel free to take a look if you want to use some of those additional functions. Thank you, and have a good day.